I'm Josiah Davis. I study culinary arts at Alamance Community College. There's so many instances where my chef instructor was like, Josiah, you can do this. You can explore your mind a little bit more. So maybe change it up this way, maybe change it up that way. I do believe Alamance Community College has prepared me for the workforce. Some days we would do meals for the people here at this college, and that showed me how to do full-scale production. And without that, you would not make it as a pastry chef or just a chef in general. For someone applying to Alamance or just coming into the culinary field, I feel like they should always be open to learn. Never take things to heart because your teachers or your professors, they're just trying to help you. Without critique, you don't grow. Once I got here to this culinary program, I was like, this is for me. This is what I should be doing with my life. And ever since then, I haven't looked back.